I heard my baby crying for help. I'm coming!
Be so stupid. Now why would you even attempt to stick your head through there, fella? Now you're stuck.
Put the goat down! Drop the goat! Oh my gosh. What is wrong with you? Dude!
You can't sleep in the food bowl, Gary! I need to feed you! Gary!
It's stuck for goat, huh? Come here. Don't run away.
Arman, Hiso. Arman. Hallo, kom.